AI isn't coming for your job. It's already here. In 2026, machines won't just do what we tell them. They'll write, speak, design, sell, and even lead teams. Some jobs are evolving, others, they're disappearing. In this video, we're revealing 10 careers AI is replacing by 2026, and 5 that AI still can't touch. Whether you're working in tech, business, education, or media, this video could change your path. Let's start with the obvious. These are the jobs already being automated, and by 2026, they may be fully handled by AI. AI chatbots handle millions of support queries daily, faster and cheaper than any human. Tools like Intercom, Zendesk AI, and Google Dialogflow are replacing call centers worldwide. Need a blog post? Product description, email, newsletter? GPT can write it in seconds. Human writers who don't specialize or adapt are already losing work. AI doesn't just type fast. It reads, extracts, and updates millions of data points in real time. These jobs are vanishing across logistics, healthcare, and finance. AI cold callers are now so advanced, they pause, change tone, and overcome objections. Many companies already prefer them to human callers. These jobs aren't fully gone yet, but by 2026, AI will be doing most of the work. AI tools like GitHub Copilot and GPT can write full code, fix bugs, and deploy apps. Entry-level devs must now shift from typing code to directing it. Posters, logos, thumbnails. AI tools like Canva, Midjourney, and Firefly can now do them in minutes. Designers who don't adapt risk being left behind. AI can read legal contracts, find precedent cases, and summarize laws faster than any junior associate. It's already being used in U.S. courts. In China, human cashiers are becoming a thing of the past. Grammarly and GPT-style tools can now edit, correct, and improve tone better than most junior editors. Human nuance still matters, but bulk editing? Gone. But not everything is doomed. Some jobs require what AI doesn't have: judgment, emotion, ethics, creativity. Leadership.ai can remix, but it can't invent culture. Vision, taste, and storytelling are human traits. AI can simulate empathy, but human connection, trauma care, and mental healing need a real soul. AI can't build a vision. It doesn't feel pain, risk, or instinct. Business is human chaos, and that's where leaders thrive. AI can advise, but it can't fix a burst pipe or rewire a home. At least not yet. AI can explain, but it can't motivate, inspire, or adapt to emotional classrooms. AI isn't here to help you. It's here to replace you, unless you adapt. The future doesn't reward resistance. It rewards evolution. Use AI. Learn it. Lead it. Or fall behind. So, what do you do for work? And how are you evolving with AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments.